Busy people, how in the world do they have time to work out? Busy parents, business owners, entrepreneurs, students, their daily life is completely booked, but they still find the time to remain active. Here are 3 ways busy people are able to include fitness in their life. 1. They do very short workouts daily, but they're consistent. 15 to 30 minutes a day and they're out, and they have 23.5 hours to do everything else they have to do. 2. Longer but less frequent workouts. Let's say they only have time for 2 workouts in the week, they make those 2 workouts count. 3. They incorporate movement in their everyday life. Skipping the elevators and escalators and always taking the stairs. Walking literally everywhere. If you're a parent, playing outdoors with the kids or doing some sort of physical activity. If you're working, doing some sort of sporting activity with your coworkers. 4. They make fitness a priority. It's a bit counterproductive to be too busy now and too weak and tired in the future to do anything. If you're a parent, you obviously want to be strong and healthy enough to watch your children grow. If you're a business owner or a career person, you want to be strong and healthy enough to continue in that path. And if you're a student, you have your whole life ahead of you, it's really important to stay strong and healthy. So prioritizing health and fitness is really important. So you're gonna have to figure out a way to find time to include these moments where you're able to work out. Self-care is one of your #1 priorities. And 5, when you really don't have time to move or work out, at least try to keep your nutrition in check. You have the ability to choose what goes in your mouth. Try to make sure that you're feeding yourself the right nutrients. So when you're going to the grocery store or ordering out or going to a restaurant, try to make conscious decisions on what you choose to put in your system. Hope this helps. I know you're a busy bee, but don't let that set you back in your fitness journey.